What is the maximum speed limit on urban roads in Ajman unless otherwise indicated? A. 60 km per hour. B. 80 km per hour. C. 100 km per hour. D. 120 km per hour. Answer A. In Ajman, urban roads typically have a maximum speed limit of 60 km per hour unless signs indicate otherwise. Exceeding this limit may result in fines and points on the license. When approaching a roundabout, who has the right of way? A. Vehicles entering the roundabout. B. Vehicles inside the roundabout. C. Pedestrians at crosswalks outside the roundabout. D. Emergency vehicles only. Answer B. Vehicles already circulating within a roundabout have the right of way. Entering vehicles must yield until the path is clear to prevent accidents. On a wet road, how should you adjust your driving? A. Drive at normal speed but keep headlights on. B. Reduce speed and maintain extra distance. C. Accelerate slightly to avoid slipping. D. Use high beams to see the road clearly. Answer B. Wet roads reduce tire traction. Drivers must reduce speed, maintain greater distance, and avoid sudden braking to minimize skidding risks. What does a flashing yellow traffic light indicate? A. Stop immediately. B. Slow down and proceed with caution. C. Yield only to pedestrians. D. Speed up to clear the intersection. Answer B. A flashing yellow light signals drivers to slow down and proceed with caution, as the intersection may have other moving traffic or pedestrians. If a school bus has stopped with flashing red lights, what must a driver do? A. Overtake the bus carefully. B. Stop regardless of direction. C. Continue if the bus is on the opposite lane. D. Wait only if children are visible. Answer B. Flashing red lights on a school bus indicate passengers are boarding or alighting. All approaching vehicles must stop until the lights turn off. What is the minimum legal tread depth for vehicle tires in Ajman? A. 0.5 mm. B. 1.0 mm. C. 1.6 mm. D. 2.5 mm. Answer C. Tires must have at least 1.6 mm tread depth to ensure proper traction, especially on wet roads. Driving with worn tires can cause accidents and legal penalties. When should you use the horn in Ajman? A. To greet another driver. B. To warn of imminent danger. C. To express frustration in traffic. D. At all traffic lights. Answer B. Horns should only be used to alert others of immediate danger or prevent accidents. Using it for non-safety reasons is considered a traffic violation. What should you do if your vehicle starts to skid on a slippery road? A. Steer opposite to the skid. B. Steer in the direction of the skid. C. Brake hard immediately. D. Accelerate to gain control. Answer B. Steering in the direction of the skid helps regain traction and control. Sudden braking or acceleration can worsen the skid. A triangular traffic sign with a red border indicates A. Mandatory instruction. B. Prohibition. C. Warning or hazard. D. Information. Answer C. Triangular signs with red borders warn drivers of hazards or upcoming road conditions. Recognizing these signs helps prevent accidents. How far must you park from a pedestrian crossing in Ajman? A. 1 meter. B. 5 meters. C. 10 meters. D. 15 meters. Answer C. Parking too close to pedestrian crossings obstructs visibility. The law requires a minimum of 10 meters to ensure pedestrian safety. What is the legal blood alcohol concentration Back, limit for drivers in Ajman. A. 0%. B. 0.2%. C. 0.5%. D. 0.8%. Answer A. Ajman enforces a strict zero-tolerance policy. Any detectable alcohol in the driver's blood is illegal and can lead to fines, license suspension, or imprisonment. When overtaking another vehicle on a two-lane road, you must A. Use the left lane and signal. B. Use the right lane without signaling. C. Honk continuously. D. Speed past without caution. Answer A. Overtaking requires signaling and moving into the left lane safely. Failure to signal or check mirrors increases the risk of collisions. What does a solid white line on the road signify? A. Lane change allowed. B. No lane change permitted. C. Pedestrian crossing ahead. D. Speed reduction zone. Answer B. Solid white lines indicate lanes must not be crossed. They are often used near intersections or hazardous areas to maintain traffic order. When driving at night, when should you use low beams? A. On empty highways. B. In fog, rain, or near other vehicles. C. In all city streets. D. Only in tunnels. Answer B. Low beams reduce glare and improve visibility in adverse conditions or when other vehicles are present. High beams in such cases can blind other drivers. If two vehicles reach a four-way stop simultaneously, who has the right of way? A. Vehicle on the left. B. Vehicle on the right. C. Vehicle moving faster. D. Vehicle in reverse. Answer B. At a four-way stop, the vehicle on the right has the right of way. This rule ensures orderly passage and prevents collisions. A yellow diamond-shaped sign with a car skidding symbol means A. No overtaking. B. Slippery road ahead. C. Road narrows. D. Speed limit enforcement. Answer B. Diamond-shaped yellow signs warn of road hazards. The skidding symbol indicates reduced traction, and drivers should slow down and drive carefully. When should you signal before turning? A. Only at major intersections. B. At least 50 meters before the turn. C. Just before entering the turn. D. Only if other vehicles are present. Answer B. Signaling at least 50 meters before a turn gives sufficient warning to other road users, enhancing safety and avoiding accidents. What is the primary purpose of speed bumps? A. Decorative road feature. B. Slow down traffic in critical areas. C. Signal pedestrian crossings. D. Reduce vehicle maintenance. Answer B. Speed bumps force vehicles to reduce speed in residential areas, near schools, or high pedestrian zones, preventing accidents. When a traffic officer signals you to stop, you must A. Slow down and continue. B. Stop immediately at the officer's location. C. Ignore if the road is clear. D. Stop only if an accident is visible. Answer B. Traffic officers have the authority to stop vehicles. Ignoring their signals is illegal and may result in fines or arrest. How should you position your vehicle when waiting to make a right turn at an intersection? A. Close to the center line. B. Close to the right curb or edge. C. In the left lane. D. Diagonally across lanes. Answer B. Right-turning vehicles must stay close to the right edge to avoid obstructing straight-moving traffic and to ensure pedestrian safety. A pedestrian with a white cane at a crosswalk indicates A. Blind or visually impaired person. B. Elderly person. C. Child crossing. D. Cyclist crossing. Answer A. Drivers must yield to pedestrians with white canes who are visually impaired. Extra caution is necessary to ensure safety. What is the correct action when approaching a broken traffic light at an intersection? A. Treat it as a stop sign. B. Proceed without stopping. C. Wait for another vehicle to guide you. D. Honk and continue. Answer A. Broken traffic lights are treated as four-way stops. Drivers must stop, observe, and proceed in turn to avoid accidents. On a multi-lane highway, slower vehicles should A. Stay in the left lane. B. Stay in the right lane. C. Switch lanes frequently. D. Use emergency lane. Answer B. Slower vehicles must stay in the right lane to allow faster traffic to pass on the left, ensuring smooth traffic flow. Which of the following is prohibited when passing a school zone in Ajman? A. Reducing speed. B. Honking lightly. C. Overtaking other vehicles. D. Stopping for children. Answer A. C. Overtaking in a school zone is dangerous and illegal. Drivers must reduce speed, watch for children, and follow traffic signals. When should you use hazard warning lights? A. While parking legally. B. When vehicle is stationary due to emergency. C. When driving slowly in traffic. D. At night only. Answer B. Hazard lights indicate emergencies such as breakdowns or accidents. They warn other drivers and reduce the risk of collisions.